Hi there, and welcome to Camp Cooking with Saucy Sean's Fine Eats. So today we're still at Cypress Creek Campground here. As I said, didn't get into backpacking this weekend. Couldn't. I mean, unless I went random, which I wasn't ready to alone. Ended up here, which is great. So, but I still wanted to do some of my dehydrated cooking. So a while ago, I had some leftover, I think they were Shanghai noodles or something like that from Chinese food, and I dehydrated them, and I kept them in the fridge. They were actually quite oily, so I definitely kept them in the fridge at home, but I brought them out, and I thought, hey, let's have some of them for a snack here. So we're gonna cook them. We're gonna cook them up and rehydrate them and see what happens. So I'm using my handy mug as a measuring cup, and it's about 3/4 full. You can see this stuff. It's just, there's the beef and there's the carrots, I think, and other assorted vegetables, and the noodles, which got broken up when they got dehydrated. See, there's a little noodle, Shanghai noodle, big thick noodle, nice and small, lightweight. I'm going to pour that into my pot. I'm going to add about twice as much water as that was. So I'm going to use my handy pump here, which I still running. Still first charge, still first bottle of water. Curious to see how long it lasts on the charge. We're going to put 2 of these cups into here and then heat it up, let it simmer for a bit, and it should be rehydrated. I know, this is the boring part, right? Watching this big guy do this. This is cool. This is the kind of thing that I think would be a great meal out backpacking, just having a little bit of variety, a little bit of flavor. It was cheap because I literally used leftover Chinese food. Oop, my spoon is over here. I'm using this Coleman stove this weekend. Decided to bring it instead of my good old Dragonfly. This thing's been a workhorse. These propane stoves are just a workhorse. Oh, and there's the problem of being at Cypress, is the ATVs in the background. Yeah, this stove has been a workhorse for years. We bought it in Stettler. Camped in an old McDonald's with a tent trailer. The stove with the tent trailer, it was a piece of crap. And we're using it, and one morning it took me forever to cook breakfast. And I said, that's it, I'm done. Going into Stettler, gonna buy a new stove. This was literally the only stove, propane, that we could get in Stettler. It was the last one at Home Hardware. Don't even know if PV Mart existed then, but it was really, we looked everywhere. It's the only one in town, so we bought it. And it's worked really well. That was so many years ago, I can't believe it. And so it's just fun to bring it out and give it a good try again. So I'm going to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for, I don't know, 15 minutes. Maybe not even that long. See how it goes, and we'll give her a try. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. So I've been thinking about this. I just brought this to a boil. It's boiling nicely, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shut it off completely. Just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then bring it back up to temp if I need to. Okay, I've had them soaking for about 10 minutes here. And what I've discovered is a couple of things. My noodles really did just turn into little bits. And so far it's a bit soupy. It's close. I'm going to just boil it up for a couple more minutes. And I think it'll be a bit soupy, probably too much water, but that's okay. You can still eat it. It's still going to taste good. And yeah, we'll see what the end result is after it boils for a couple more minutes. Okay, well, here we go. As I said, it's going to be a bit soupy, but look at that. You got your meat there. Got your veggies all nice and hydrated. Let's try that carrot. Oh yeah, that's really good. So I put too much water in, obviously, but that's okay. It's leftover Chinese, dehydrated, rehydrated. The noodles all broke into little bits. It's not bad though. Yeah, it's pretty good. Is it something I would do a lot of? No. But I could do it again. I don't know, I got Zach in the background. What does Zach think?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Come join me here. It's good?
Actually, yeah, really good.
Zach really likes it, so we might do it again. Be a good treat out backpacking, a little bit of Chinese food. Yeah, kind of like it. So there you have it. Camping with Saucy Sean's. Yeah, I'd do it again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. And have a great day. Talk to you later.